I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to cancel your Wondery Plus subscription on your Apple iPhone or iPad. Step 1. Tap to open the App Store app on your iPhone or iPad. You'll land on your App Store home screen. Step 2. Tap your profile icon at the top of the screen. Your account menu opens. Step 3. Tap Subscriptions. A list of your iPhone and iPad subscriptions is shown. Step 4. Tap the Wondery Plus subscription in this list. Information associated with your Wondery Plus subscription is displayed. Step 5. Tap either Cancel Free Trial or Cancel Subscription. The next screen will let you know how long you'll have access to the Wondery Plus service through and anything specific you'll lose access to. Step 6. Tap Confirm. The next screen will let you know that your Wondery Plus subscription has successfully been canceled. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.